So we got these door hinges. They look pretty rusty. This is in the bathroom. Old brown. Used to be gold, I guess. It's making the old door brown. So the way to change it. Got another one in this shower. Old brown. You can see some of the original color. So we'll try to change this. We'll clean it. So first we'll swap them out with new ones. And then after, like this, we could just leave everything the way it is. Swap out one at a time. And then we'll try to clean it. And then we'll switch it to the next one. So one door we'll do with new hinges. Or you could do just one hinge at a time if you want. Open the door as much as you can. The inside actually is not too bad. Looks pretty good on the inside. Extra long. Also long. Also long. So that has my shim in place. So this is the old one. Still has some color on the inside. Look at the outside. Look at the two-tone. It's brown, gold. Try to get rid of that and reuse it. These are the same shape. Got new screws over there too. So we'll do the rest for all of them. So this is the new one. That's the new one. Nice and shiny. That's the old one. So these are the old ones. It's the old one. So look how dirty it is, how rusty or whatever it is. So we'll try to see if we can clean that up. And try to get it back to that color, if not spray paint it maybe. These are the old screws. These are the new screws. The new hinges. They're cheaper if you buy 24 pack. You know, the bigger the pack, the cheaper it should be. So we'll do the same for all the other hinges. And then we'll see. So I got a sanding disc. This is 120 grit and Bauer. I'm gonna attach this to the wood. I'm going to attach this to the wood. This is one of the more rusty ones. Let's see how this works out. So that's nice and shiny. It still looks round. We'll try to spray it up and then see how it looks. It's basically all done, except these little corners inside. Try this gold spray that I have. I'm not sure how much it is, but we'll see. Not too much. So we'll see how this is going to look. Now you can see the contrast of the old hinges and the new hinges. The old hinges is brown, but the new ones are nice and shiny. This time I didn't paint the screws, but by the end of the video, you'll also see how I painted the screws. I'll add some bonus footage showing one more time how I scraped it off, one full pass, and a full pass of painting the hinges, together with the screws this time.